This video will help you find articles on controversial social issues or pro-con topics for your research using the HACC library databases. First, we're going to start in the library guide that's linked in your Brightspace D2L course module. And then we're going to click on Find Articles on the left. I've organized different library databases based on your research topics, so we're going to go to Social Issue Topic. And for this video, I'm going to be focusing on opposing viewpoints, but I encourage you to also check out these two databases as well. There is a basic database searching video down here that will also help you if you want to work in EBSCO or Social Sciences ProQuest. When you click on the database, you will see a search box. I personally like to use the Browse list. This takes you to an alphabetized list of issues where they've grouped articles together by subject. And it's a pretty extensive list, so most likely your topic will be covered in one of these subject areas. When I click on a social issue, it will take me to a page where I can read an overview of the topic. In this overview, you will find information such as the main ideas surrounding the topic, background information, historical information, and more. Beneath the overview, there are different types of sources. Viewpoints will cover different perspectives about the topic, and this is a great place to explore if you are doing a pro-con type argument. You also see journal articles, images, videos, news, and more. For each of these sources, you can find citation information at the bottom of the article, and you can select it, copy it, and paste it into your group's Google Doc. If you need any help, please reach out to me or one of the other librarians. On the home page in your library guide, there's contact information. If you have quick questions, you can use our chat service. This is something that's staffed 24/7 with librarians, our librarians during our business hours, and then we have an agreement with other librarians across the country, so it's continuously staffed. You can also set up a research appointment with a librarian, so you can pick a location, either Zoom or in person at one of the campuses, and set up a time that works for you, and select even 30 minutes or even up to an hour. The other place that you can get help is in the discussion boards. There is an Ask the Librarian discussion board where you can post directly questions to me and I can respond right into that discussion board. So please reach out if you have any questions.